QM66 here with our autonomous period. We are now in the back half, in the final back half of matches for the day and final quarter of the matches for the overall tournament and qualification round. So you can see that even though these teams are competing and they're playing very well here, as you can see Red Alliance scoring on their upper goal. Unfortunately, their partner's missing a bit. Blue Alliance are kind of stationary right now. But even though the rankings may not change a ton off of these matches at the end of the game, say...
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
As I was saying, even though these rankings may not change super large swings after the matches, these matches are still important because while we near the end of our qualification rounds, you're going to have other teams who are high ranking sitting in the audiences, doing scouting and trying to watch the performances of teams. It's not just about how high you can score, it's how well you can work with your alliance partners. Even if you aren't in the top 4 rankings at the end of the qualification rounds, you could be a first pick, you could be a second pick, and that is why it's important for these teams to put on their best faces in these matches, and that is just what we're seeing here, especially from Don't Blink, Team 14481. Very smoothly, a lot of red cones here on these upper, middle, and low junctions, getting a lot of ownership with a clear margin of about 60 to 220 on the live scores, which means that it is a very clear lead from the Red Alliance. However, that is not necessarily due to poor play from the Blue Alliance, but more of a technical issue from the Blue Alliance, meaning their robots who are a little bit stationary. Now would be their chance to catch up as their robots have begun moving once again. 60 seconds left in the match, 30 seconds until end game. However, Red Alliance isn't slowing down at all. They're still maintaining that lead with this rapid scoring mechanism that these robots have. You can see a lot of custom machine parts on these two robots here. It's very impressive technical skill to build these things. And up to 12589 as well as a very technical robot. Pioneer Robotics from Shrewsbury, Massachusetts, scoring on that upper junction. And then we've got 13356 also angling for some scoring, but they're moving a little bit slowly here, trying to figure it out. As we're in this end game, that means the beacons are out in play. It's time for these robots to cleanly and calmly claim some of these junctions for themselves. And you can see just that here with Silas claiming a middle junction first, followed by their partner 12589 claiming a middle junction for themselves as well. 14481 Red Alliance not too far behind, claiming an upper junction and claiming another upper junction, but not with a beacon. We're still one beacon short from the looks of things from one of the alliances here, but we're going to have with, we'll see. That was right down to the wire. 13356 might get that beacon